What I'd like to do next is take the same utility tip and use it for you and show you a little bit more about how the pressure can be actually probably increased safely and without any pain. So what I like to do is very gently insert the U-tip at the ear canal opening and then just applying some very gentle pressure and then sort of twisting and pulling. I did get a little bit of wax that time. We're able to get quite a bit more wax out again. Yeah, indeed.
My experience today with the utility tip was actually really nice. You know, normally using the cotton swabs like I have in the past, I felt like they did do a good job, but obviously, as we have seen, it actually pulled out a lot more than I was expecting it to. I think it actually does help having these ridges on the inside of it.
I get allergies, and a lot of times I do have a lot of itchiness in my ears, and this would be a great relief for that.
It just seems like cotton swabs don't quite get it. The ridges make sense. Now that I've tried it and I understand the proper pressure to use, I feel comfortable in using it on my kids.